Today's lecture examines learning differences, neurodiversity, and cognitive variability through a developmental lens aligned with contemporary human development and cognition. In higher education and P16 contexts, the goal is not simply to identify differences, but to understand how cognition develops across individuals, environments, and instructional settings. Begin with a core premise. Cognitive variability is a developmental norm. Human learning does not follow a single trajectory. Attention, language processing, executive function, sensory integration, and problem-solving vary across persons and across time. These differences are not inherently deficits. They are expressions of diverse neurodevelopmental pathways shaped by biology, experience, culture, and context. Consider ADHD, autism, dyslexia, and giftedness. ADHD is often associated with differences in sustained attention, inhibition, and self-regulation, yet it may also involve high energy, rapid ideation, and strong responsiveness to novelty. Autism reflects differences in social communication, sensory processing, and pattern recognition, often alongside strengths in focus, precision, and systemizing. Dyslexia is a language-based learning difference that can affect decoding and fluency, while many learners demonstrate strong oral reasoning, creativity, and conceptual insight. Giftedness is also a form of cognitive variability, characterized by advanced reasoning, accelerated learning, or unusual depth in a domain, sometimes accompanied by asynchronous development and heightened sensitivity. These categories should not be treated as fixed identities or simplistic labels. Rather, they describe profiles of strengths and challenges that interact with instruction. A doctoral-level understanding requires attention to development, not just classification. The same learner may experience support needs in one context and exceptional performance in another. This is where Universal Design for Learning, or UDL, becomes essential. UDL is an instructional framework designed to reduce barriers and expand access from the outset. It emphasizes multiple means of engagement, representation, and action and expression. In practice, this means offering choices in how content is accessed, how students demonstrate understanding, and how motivation is sustained. UDL does not lower academic standards. It increases the likelihood that rigorous standards are accessible to a wider range of learners. Neurodiversity provides the broader conceptual framework. It recognizes neurological differences as part of human diversity, rather than as deviations from a single norm. This perspective encourages educators to move from remediation-only models towards strength-based, inclusive, and ecologically responsive practice. In summary, learning differences are best understood as variations within human development, not exceptions to it. An academically rigorous approach combines developmental science, inclusive pedagogy, and respect for neurodiverse learners. The central question is not whether learners fit the system, but how systems can be designed to support the full range of human cognition.